Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Finds another way to F with Chad. Through the grapevine, I find where Chad is living and working. New boss calls the company Chad is working for, and Chad is summarily fired. I get in touch with Chad's landlord, explain how he operates. Chad is evicted for unpaid rent. He was apparently a couple months behind. I also managed to get his girlfriend's phone number, call her, and explain what this guy does to people and his extensive criminal history, including, but not limited to, fraud, identity theft, insurance fraud, his many assaults, and his wanted picture published in the paper. Turns out she's the owner of his truck, primary operator, but he pays the insurance. He cannot insure a vehicle until he pays off what he owes for the fraud. She asked me what she should do. I say I'll take care of it. I call the insurance provider, explain what's going on, for them to tell me he doesn't even have a license anymore. They void the insurance on his girlfriend's truck after speaking to her, and set up a sting with the police. I personally get to be involved as I knew what was going on. So I sit and wait for the day as it goes down. I roll up behind the